This is Stan. He has just been awarded his latest Citrix Certified Expert Certificate. He's been with Process Flows for 6 years, working exclusively for our client Thintech, expanding his skills, becoming more valuable to them. He loves his role, and they love him. Every morning, Stan gets to his desk at 9. Unless sales and marketing are having one of their infamous bake-offs, Joanna makes a mean banitza. That's a local delicacy, but there's never enough for everyone. This loud team over here, they're working for Avanquest in German, French, English, Italian, and Spanish. A very communicative bunch. You can make out the Italians having lunch at the other end of the office. This is Nick. He manages the dedicated developers, all working on clients' projects just like yours. And these two, we couldn't function without them. Rosie manages the Process Flows operation, and together with Marina, they find and recruit all of our amazing talent. People like Teddy, Slavi, and Anna. We opened in Bulgaria in 2010, and it's turned out to be our best business decision of the century so far. We're growing every day by focusing on helping our clients expand their businesses. Whether it's one person initially or a whole team, you can choose to work with us on recruitment or leave it to our experience to find the right talent for you. You don't need to make a long-term commitment. We make it simple to try outsourcing, and there are so many advantages. And me? I'm Chris Thompson, Managing Director of Process Flows Outsourcing. Why not come and meet with us in Sofia and tell us what you need?